Guys, in this video we're going to unbox the Shure SM7B category dynamic microphone. Now this is a very capable microphone, so we're going to unbox and see what you're going to get inside this box right here. So I'm just going to pull out the cover, and underneath here is another white box, and we're going to cut out the tape right here. Alright, so let's cut it. Okay, so inside the box right here we got the warranty paper. There's a Shure stickers that you can stick on somewhere in your room, I suppose. Okay, there's also a very thick user guide. Quite a lot of information in this user guide. This is a thick user guide with different languages. Okay, so this is the microphone right here. Maybe I just take out this box over here first. I can't, it's kind of like sticking to this cardboard itself, so maybe I'm just going to turn it this way to get it out. Okay, so it come down. Alright, so I'm just gonna lift it up. Oh, it's a very heavy microphone. A lot heavier than other microphones that I have. So let's just take it out. Now again, this is a very capable microphone. So this is the microphone inside the box. This is what you should get. There's also a Shure strap right here as well. There's the back of the microphone right here, and there's a knob where you can mount it onto a microphone stand or a mounted microphone boom arm. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it to the side, see what else we're getting inside this box. Okay, so there is also this piece of metal in a bag, some kind of a cover. Okay, nothing else underneath. Okay, so you also get a windshield foam cover as well for this microphone. Oops, I just dropped something. Okay, so inside this box there are also a Velcro strip right here. This Velcro helps you to use it with this larger windshield, or the windscreen they call it. So you can take this one apart. So I'm just going to need to kind of like squeeze in and take this one apart. Once that come off, you can use this Velcro and then you stick onto the side here, and then we can place on this larger windshield. So I'm just going to take it off now. Now there is also an adapter, so if you have a different microphone stand that uses a smaller nut or a smaller bolt, then you can attach this one as an adapter. So this is the adapter for a smaller size microphone holder or the booms holder. Okay guys, this is a plate cover, so you can use it to cover up at the back here. At the back here is a frequency response that you can change. Now by default it is set to a flat response. If you look at this small diagram in here, there are 3 different settings. You've got flat response, bass roll off, or present boost setting. So you can readjust these settings, and after you have finished with readjusting, you can put this plate cover back on. And so that is everything inside the box, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.